Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. I've here two products from GooFoto. They were kind enough to send these out to check out, but they are all my own thoughts and we're going to have a quick review of them. So they have a light ring here and a tripod. This is in a set that you can buy on Amazon. I'll leave links down below. And it costs about £40 or $50 in the US. And essentially what it is a starting kit. So if you're getting into videos, whether that's live streaming or pre-recording for YouTube or Twitch, something like that, and you need a stand for your phone, say, to start out with, and some good light source, then these are going to be two good products to check out. So if we go ahead and just open them up, see what we get in the box. Starting off with the light ring, you can see you get an 11-inch light ring. We'll go ahead and remove the plastic like so, and then we'll take everything out of the box. So that's the light ring itself, and you can see it has a stand in there for your phone. So it is designed primarily for a phone, but you could set this up separately and use a dedicated camera if you want. So you've got the 11-inch circle there, which has the LEDs in there, and they can range in both color warmth. So if you need a warmer tone or a slightly cooler tone, they go from 3200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. And then they also have 10 levels of brightness. So we'll check that out and see how easy it is to work. And it just plugs in via USB, so you can use a wall charger or a power bank, and then you have a little remote built into the cable. In terms of mounting, as I said, you've got that for your phone in the center that's on an adjustable arm. So you can move it there and either use the selfie camera or flip it around and use the rear-facing camera for better quality. And then in terms of mounting, there is a 3.5mm hole in the bottom there that you can use, or you can use this dial here and mount it on something like that. So that is the light itself. You also then have two mounts on the side if you need to use them. It also comes with another phone holder, so if you don't have one of these or using the tripod stand, you can use this, and it's simply just a tension arm that you can pull around your phone and slot your phone in there, and then mount with either the quarter turn on the back there or there. And then also a remote. So if we go ahead and open this up, you get a little remote here. So camera, 360 iOS, and then Android. So I'm guessing you can either start or stop recording or take a photo, and it's just got a little on switch there. So we'll test it out, see how easy it is to work with that. And then you just have the instruction manual there. But we'll go ahead, clear it up and take a look at the tripod next. Alrighty, so just cleared up some of that mess, and we'll go ahead and unbox the tripod now. So this is a kit, so you get the tripod and the light in the kit for about £40. So if you are looking to start out, then this is going to be a good option. So you get a little travel case here, so you can go ahead, pick it up if you need to move around. We'll go ahead and slide out the tripod. So there we go, there's the tripod. So you've got basically your standard basic tripod. So you've got 3 levels of adjustment on the legs. So you can adjust the height there, and then it extends out like that. That cap isn't fixed. So it's not the highest quality build, but it is a budget option. So if you're starting out, it's still going to be a good option. And then you do have the adjustment here, so you can extend this out like so. So you've got extra height there. And then you have the 3 levels of adjustment with the head here. So you can pan it like so, you can tilt it, and then you also have the level of adjustment there. And then, like I said, you can use this attachment and you can screw it on like so onto the top here. And then that way you can use your smartphone. So you can either mount it in here like so, or you can mount it into there and then mount the light straight onto the tripod. So depending on what setup you want, if you want the light behind, say, a monitor if you're streaming, and then this on a separate mount, or you have a dedicated camera, you can go ahead and put the camera on here and then use the other mount for this. So you have a few options there. You can see that's what it will look like with the phone mount on there, and then you can stretch it out, put your phone in there. And then you have the 3 levels of adjustment. So if I go ahead and just tilt up, you can see you've got the 3 levels of adjustment like so. go ahead and tilt it back down. We'll go ahead and test out the light next though. So we'll just go ahead and connect it up to power and give it a test. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set up the LED ring on the GooFoto tripod over here on the right. So you can see you can have different sort of setups. I've got my phone on another tripod and then the light over here, so you can move it around. Or if you just have the tripod and light, you can mount your phone in here in the center. So a couple of different options. And this is with the lights on in the room and just the window light as well. So you can see this is what sort of light level is. If we go ahead and turn on the LED ring, you can see it really brightens up the shot, and you have a couple of different options. So as I said, you've got the color temperature, so you can cycle through. This is a much colder light, so sort of like an office light, and then you have a natural light there that's sort of cool but not too warm, and then a much warmer light if you want to give that look. So you can cycle through those, and then you also have the brightness level, so you can just go ahead and press to go down 1 notch, so you have 10 different levels of brightness, or you can press and hold and it will go all the way up to the top again, so that's full brightness there. So a good level of options and nice and handy. It's on this little remote here, so you can adjust it if you need, and it does run off a power bank as well, so I'm using it on an Anker power bank here. So if you need to take it, need it to be portable, that's a good option. You don't have to stick to being near a wall socket. You can use a battery bank, so that's a nice useful feature. And you can see if you've got products here or you're lighting your face, say for a stream, it really does make a big difference. That along with the microphone is a good investment to make if you're starting out. So if you have a smartphone, you can use that. And then if you need a tripod and light, this is definitely a good bundle to look at. It's quite expensive, but remember you are getting 2 products in the price. So you're getting that tripod and the LED ring, along with the mount for a phone and the little camera button here that you can use to start and stop. So I tested it beforehand and it works. So you can just press the button and it will start recording, or if you're in the photo mode, you can take a photo. So useful not only if you're doing live streams or videos, but if you're maybe taking a family picture, you want to be in the photo, you can use that as well. So definitely a good option if you're starting out. If you have any questions about it or about starting out with videos, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, do please hit that like button. It really helps out the video and the channel. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe over there in the top left. It really appreciates it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.